What do you mean he's gone, Kevin?
Believe me, I tried. Archie said he couldn't come back.
Only because he doesn't know he's been exonerated, and you let him go alone?
Not alone. He called.
Archie?
Veronica.
I'm so glad you called, Archie. We did it! Attorney McCoy worked it out with the judge. You're a free man.
I shouldn't be surprised. You're amazing.
I promise you'd be free by homecoming.
Veronica Lodge always keeps her word. Thank you, Veronica, for everything you've ever done for me.
No need to thank me, lover. Just tell me where to pick you up.
Ronnie, I can't come home.
Didn't you hear me? There's nothing to be afraid of. Sheriff Minetta's going to prison for a long, long time.
But your dad is still out there. And I can't escape him. As long as we're together, he'll be hunting me down, and everyone close to me is his target. That includes you.
Where are you? I'm not letting you go off, God knows where, and alone.
I'm not alone. Ronnie, when I first met you, you were it for me. Everything I could have ever wanted. I saw our whole future.
Because we're endgame, Archie.
I hope you know how much I love you.
If you loved me, you would come home.
God, Ronnie, you know in your heart I'm right about this. It just hurts to admit it.
Don't you make me say goodbye to you, Archie Andrews.
Because I don't want to hear it back.
I can't. I can't.
Goodbye, Veronica.
Some money, change of clothes, granola bars, juice boxes.
Thanks for coming out here, Chuck.
Sure you want to do this, man?
Leaving is my best option, Jug. It's my only option.
I don't disagree. Joaquin is dead. That symbol that you have branded on your hip, he had one on his forehead. It means sacrifice.
What? Who the hell is doing this, Chuck?
I don't know. I have a feeling Hiram Lodge is a part of it.
He always is.
Don't worry, I'm not letting you out of my sight. You ever hop a train before?
No.
We'll figure it out.
Paladin, Paladin, where do you roam? Paladin, Paladin, far